This video demonstrates how to place model and annotation elements in project views. It also explains the rules that govern their visibility. When you place a table component in the furniture plan view, it is also visible in the floor plan view. The model elements you add to the project are visible in all views of the project instantly. By contrast, when you use the text note tool to add a note to the table in the furniture plan view, the note does not appear in the floor plan view. The text is an annotation element and is visible only in the view in which you place it. Dimension strings and object tags are also annotation elements, so they are view specific. Just like annotation elements, detail elements such as lines and detail components are view specific. When you add detail elements to model geometry to enhance or clarify the view, they are visible only in the view in which you place them. As a final example, we will go to the Annotation tab of the ribbon and add a CMU repeating detail component to the wall in the Foundation Detail view. As you would expect, the CMU is not modeled. Instead, it is added as a view-specific element to enhance the model geometry in the view. Additional detail elements, which are not modeled in 3D, are added to the Foundation Detail view to further document the model.